Hey guys, what's up? So we're hiking right now, and we just came up to this.
Come here, Isaac.
I'm filming right now.
Oh, okay.
Noah. Noah. It's Justine. Came across the lake.
Where are we at?
California.
What park are we at?
I don't know the name.
Yosemite.
Somebody?
That'll be fun.
I'm excited. Everybody hydrate. Roll out.
Everybody introduce themselves. I'm gonna start with Todd. Todd, introduce yourself.
My name's Todd. I'm the uncle. I'm the leader. I'm the boss.
Don't move yet. I'm the boss. Not what I wanted.
Justine, introduce yourself.
I'm Justine.
Noah's girlfriend.
Were you still filming?
Yeah?
When I said I farted and it stinks?
Yeah, you just said it again.
Nice.
Elizabeth, introduce yourself.
So the water's warm?
Hannah, other cool cousin.
Refreshing?
Introduce yourself. Say your name and something.
Hi, I'm Shannon, Aunt Shannon, and I like Yosemite.
Introduce yourself.
Rock on.
You're supposed to introduce yourself.
I'm Zach.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? You should have him introduce himself.
Hey, squirrel! Introduce yourself. Your name's Rix? Okay.
Such your mom. We've been
Hi, I'm Isaac.
What's something to eat?
I'm Isaac, and I'm the person who made this channel. And I want to get one of the best channels I could ever get. Last time my channel got deleted, and well, I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting a dachshund when I get home. I'm in California right now, meeting grandparents, and then
For my video.
and we came off of a bridge somewhere. Anyway, let's go and skip some stones.
Is he?
Hey! Hello!
Smell the nuts.
I didn't even see him. I'll move back for you. I've seen what you do. Just a squirrel.
Determined. You see on the other side of you?
Yeah, he's right there.
He's one determined little guy. He's not afraid of people.
He's coming up.
I hope he comes up there.
He's right behind you.
Time.
I want a picture of this.
Oh my gosh, don't move. Aw.
No. Come back.
Wait, was he on her back? Squirrels do bite, don't they?
Sometimes.
Okay, then
As soon as I got ready for picture, he moved. He's coming up this way.
He's gonna get you back.
He's gone. I don't see him. Oh, there he is. Squirrel.
Sorry,
It's fine.
you get it.
Dried apricot.
He's
No, but we
one.
just dropped some.
He's one determined little squirrel. I love squirrels, but not when they get super
He's
close.
gonna get them.
I took a bunch of pictures of them.
Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make more videos on this trip.
You know,
Beep.
you're down there. You've got one hell of a camper. Amazing.
What?
Amazing how fast you found them.
He was all the way over there.
He is right next to me.
down there?
In front.
I'm zooming in.
He got what he wanted.
You guys see this?
He got what he wanted. Now
He
he's
knows I have him now.
Yeah.
subscribe to my
You know.
channel. Peace.
Listen, I think chicken.